In this video, I'll be showing you how to share your snippets. TextBlaze allows you to share your snippets with other users or team members. To do this, navigate to the folder you want to share. Click on the Sharing tab and enter the email addresses of the people with whom you want to share that particular snippet folder. Viewers can view snippets and use them, but they cannot edit them. Editors can use snippets and also edit them. Owners can do everything editors can do. They can also change folder permissions. Once you've shared a folder with someone, you can change or revoke their access here. When someone shares a folder with you, you will receive a notification email and an alert in the dashboard. Just click on the bell icon and enable the folder, which will now become available in your dashboard. Note that when you share a snippet folder, all of the changes made to the snippets inside of it are reflected in real time for everyone who has access to them. If you're working in a team, TextBlaze offers special business and enterprise plans that cater for an increased number of users and offer greater control over team sharing and access settings. Make sure you check the documentation page for more in-depth information.